Zia, again. What's the sound of the frog?
Rabbit, rabbit.
What's the sound of the horse?
Nay, nay.
What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound of the chicken? What's the sound of the bird? What's the sound of the dog?
Ruff, ruff.
What's the sound of snake? What's the sound of the monkey? What's the sound of the gorilla? You don't know? So again, what's the sound of the lion?
Hey, Mama, I'll show you something, Mama.
Ay?
I'll show you something. They can know some reason. This is some reason. You can just check this button. You can just see what is this circle and doing. Mama,